frickin' sucks. How could she dump me? She was happy. I'd do anything to get her back. I'll call Ian. He'll know what to do.
Hello?
Dude?
Dude?
Haley, get off the phone! I need to talk to Ian. It's an emergency.
Ian! Get the phone upstairs!
Okay! Dude.
Dude, guess what?
What?
Uniqua just dumped me.
So she was ugly anyway.
Ugly to you, but to me, she's eccentrically beautiful. So what should I do?
I don't know, just forget her.
No!
I don't know, like invite her to your room or something, like a little date. I don't know.
You guys are so gay!
Get the hell off the phone!
Oh, hey dude, I have to let you go. Anyways, your sister's annoying the shit out of me, so...
Alright, cool. See ya.
Okay, bye. Okay, I'm gonna call her right now. Hey, Uniqua. Okay, Edwin. You have 5 minutes to get ready. Oh, hey Edwin, can I come in? Since we're on a date? Okay. Okay! Hey Uniqua, I see you got a mole and a new hairstyle.
Edwin, this is pretty boring. What did you bring me here for? Seriously.
Okay, the real reason why I brought you here is because I want to get back with you. It's because...
No, I'm not going to take no cheap excuse because you almost dumped me, but I beat you to it, okay? You broke my heart. You broke it. This thing right here. On the left side. Or on the right. I don't know. I'm going to be a Disney Channel star, okay? Someday you're going to see me on TV, on Disney Channel, on Wizards of Waverly Place, or Hannah Montana because I got weed, and you're going to be like, ah, shiz. I should have stayed with that girl.
I think I'm the one that got hurt more.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Ah! You kissed my nose, Edwin! It's officially over! I can't believe we get back into a relationship and then you do something stupid like this! I can't believe...
I'm sorry! Seriously, like, I didn't try aiming for your nose.
No! No! It's officially over! I need my weed back. I still hate you, Edwin!
In my dreams you're blowing me some kisses